Hello, everybody, and welcome to the LeaderAI Challenge.
Seamless.
So great.
And we're back.
And we're back. This is also where we host the LeaderAI Challenge, and we have something super special for everybody today. We're going to go over that very first homework assignment that we all did together. If you did your very first homework assignment in the LeaderAI Challenge, drop me a me here. Give me a wave. Did you do the very first assignment? I see a couple of great students here dropping the me in the chat. Yes. Awesome. Good job, Hat. Awesome, Jean. Way to go. Super cool. Sherry says yes. Hey, if you missed that very first Leader AI Challenge training, we do have our group, Leader AI. Just all you have to do is sign up at leaderai.now.site. The training is inside of that group, that recording. But we're going to do like a kind of quick overview of that training really quickly. Okay. So here, this is inside of your Nowsite account. So people are asking, how do I know if I have it? How do I know if I have Teams? Well, you see this little Teams icon here over to the left? See it? If you click on it, well, and if you see it, that means that you have Teams. Cool, right? All right. So if you are on the unlimited plan, you can create a team. And that first lesson was to go ahead and get started by creating a team. And all you do is click to create, and you give your team a team name. Now, look, don't worry about it. Have fun with it. Make up a name if you need to try it out. You're not limited to one team. You can create as many teams as you want. So let's all just give it a try, okay? So I'm just going to name it Cheryl Fun Team. You can even give your team a picture. Maybe you have a logo. Maybe it's just your profile picture for now. That's fine. You can add it. There are some team settings here where you can allow team members to invite others. And this talks about your AI avatar. You're going to click to save those settings. And all of a sudden, look at you, you have a new team. You can see where you're the team leader at too, right? Look at that, all that leader at the top here. And right now you can add some team content if you'd like. And you can do that by creating a new page of content. So I'm just going to call it new page. And I wanted to encourage everybody to do this when we first started. Okay. So I added a new page. And then the assignment was to add some content to your new page. So here, when you click to add, you can add text, you can add images, you can add links, you can add videos, you can have files, you can have website templates, you can have email templates, and more. It's super simple. And I wanted to encourage everybody that first go around, create your team and add some team content. So text, this could be like script. Maybe you have a team script that you use. Maybe it's just some encouraging words. Doesn't matter. I'm just going to say team script. Okay. And it'll show up right here. So your team gets access to that team content. You can even add website links here. Just going to add LeaderAI.now.site. Challenge. And just hit done. Now your team has access not only to this script, but to links that you can create, all of these things. So that's why I was asking, did you create your very first team? And did you add content to that team? Right? Lots of people saying me here in the chat. The title will show up in the page now, Cynthia. We had quite a few updates to that content section, even as far as images, image resizing. You didn't add content, John? Now's your time. Now's your chance. Sue Coleman was like, forget it. I'm going to do 2 teams. Yes, you could upload blogs, newsletters for reference, of course. Awesome, John. I'm glad to hear it. So I'm gonna pay on Charles. Charles' fun team is nothing but fun. Look, how many of us think that we could do that? Yes? Can we all just get in there? Create your very first team. Okay? We got it. We're gonna give it a name and we're gonna create some team content. Super cool, right? Add it. And you can't, we're gonna put this recording inside of our Leader AI training. And we'll continue to do updates, of course. My team's icon doesn't open. Try it, click it, refresh, let support know. It should be there, Janet. Okay? You did it too? Awesome. Great. Okay, so today I thought I was so excited for today's presentation. I thought it was really interesting and I wanted everybody to know just how easy it was to have your AI avatar. And I think that there were some questions around, will it be hard to do? Because we've heard things like Eric shared hundreds of hours of training. Well, I have to have hundreds of hours of training so that my AI avatar knows everything. And we learned that no, you didn't have to, right? That we have this knowledge base ready and set up for you. Or how does your AI learn all about your product or company? It's really simple. Adrian told us, do we know the name of the company? Then we're good to go. Can we spell it? Kinda. Then we're good to go. Right?
We have two distinct requirements in order to be able to be a leader here at Nowsite. Three. Are you able to kind of spell your company name? Two, are you able to sit still while looking at a camera for approximately 30 seconds? And then are you able to speak in your own voice about literally anything for 3 minutes? If you can do those three things, you are good to go.
You're awesome. Right? We know we could do all of these things, right? So I kind of want to get into um, that how you record your AI avatar. Because at the end of this here is I want support to receive 258 videos of you all that were meant for your AI avatar. I want them to be awesome. I want everybody that's watching the recording of this to go, oh my gosh, this is simple. I can do it. I can't wait to see my AI. So let's check it out. Okay. So kind of created just a little separate presentation for you all. And it's kind of, do I need to have fancy equipment? We learned all this. No, we make it really easy in creating your AI avatar. And what I shared with you was that you don't need fancy equipment. So you can use anything from maybe the camera that's on your computer to if you have to use your phone, you have to use your phone, right? You're just going to do the best job that you can do, right? With the best lighting that you have. And this process takes 5 minutes. But I want to share those little things that you find out along the way so that you have the perfect recording. Okay. So I was saying, please use your best camera and microphone and record horizontally. Okay. So I gave a little this, yes, no. Okay. So you guys can see it here. Sometimes we hold our phone this way and we record. Don't do that, right? Make sure you hold it this way. Everybody got it? The one other thing, I want to see if somebody can point it out here. What's the thing that this person is also doing wrong besides, this thing? Here, let's see if anybody can call her out. Not the mouth close up. She's too close. Danielle sent it to, right? She's like this close to the camera. So we don't need to be that close, do we? No, we want to be like, like here. Alec, can you see me? Yeah, right? You want to be like here. Back up a little bit. You got it, John. Relaxed. Cool. And the background is fine. Yes, we're going to talk more about the background. Okay? Just don't be like kissing the camera, right? I don't know what else to call it. All up in the camera's face, right? And it'll be good. I want to say record in a quiet space. My life will be spent telling people to please, ring light is fantastic, by the way. Record in a quiet space. Please don't go to a restaurant. I don't know what it is. Please don't record in your car, right? Like, I don't know what's happening, like with all of the noise in the background. Please record in a quiet space with nice lighting and background. I'm going to hear all the beach in the background, probably not a good idea. You can have a moving background too. We saw the moving background kind of with Martina. We saw the moving background with Kawan, right? So background is fine, but I don't want you like sitting in traffic or something. Okay. So this is an example of great lighting, a nice background. Keep it simple. Don't get wild, people. And this is some bad lighting. I don't know what happens. We don't need to turn all the lights off. We're not setting the mood. Okay? We're just chilling out. Great lighting, nice background. Here's something that if you are on camera often, if you're not, fine, choose your background, choose your nice lighting, make it simple. But if you're on camera often, maybe you sit at a desk. I'm going to use Sherry as an example, but like Sherry Sullivan has a great background because we're used to seeing her sitting in that background. So it's so familiar, right? Like when you see her, you're like, oh, I'm not even sure if that's the AI version of Sherry. What the heck is going on? Okay, this is where Pal actually sits, so it just looks great. Okay, yes, you can use a ring light. I don't know if you want Chewbacca in there. Uh-huh. All right. So I put remain seated with your head and eyes focused on the camera. Keep your hands and any objects away from your face. So I want to do one of these for you guys. You don't want to do this or this or like wipe your head in the middle of it. I don't know. Like you're like, phew, this is exhausting. I don't know. No, none of that. Don't do what Adrian's doing right now. If you're a hand talker, put them under your desk. Do you remember in school when you were a hand talker and your teacher made you put your hands under your desk and we're like, no, don't do it. You know, I'm gonna be teacher Coco for a second and tell you, put your hands under the desk. Don't do it. Uh-huh. I'm Lindsay. I think I can like win an award for being extra. Like, extra? You don't think I know what that is? Sit on your hands, she says. All right. So speaking of extra, I have a little fun for you guys here on this next one. So no doing this. We're not going to cover our eyes. We're not afraid. Please, like, look at the camera, though. Don't. Over here or over here, but this guy is my favorite. Don't do this either. Just had him bebop in his head the whole time on video. Yeah, like, hey, when you're talking and you're doing the AI avatar talking, you don't want to do, right? Like all as much as you like, you know, chill, relax, be natural, but let's not I don't know, do the here it goes again. Hey, I added that for myself. I think he's funny. All right. So let's not do that. Is the background you see behind me okay? I don't know. I'll look in a second. Okay. We're all gonna ask our questions and like maybe kind of see what we got going on. And I'll give you yeah, that's good. Yeah, you can get a do-over if needed. Of course. Yeah. Like we're gonna try to do everything we can to not have to do a do-over, right? I know I do this sometimes during the presentation. And when my mother watches the recordings and Nowsite, because she does and puts me on the big screen, it's very embarrassing. But she's like, well, you sit still. So I get it. Keisha, I totally get it. I don't know how to sit still. I'm always swinging. We're gonna do our best, okay? So you're ready to begin recording. We're all gonna have some fun. Maybe we'll have some people practice for us. Here's the segments that we have to include in our video. This is the serious time right now. 30-second listening state. So you just get to sit there and breathe. Oh, wait, right? So you're just going to imagine you're listening to the camera as if it's talking to you. When I say this, some people are like, nah, just chill. Just stare at the camera. Okay? It's all good. It's great. Just chill. Look at the camera. Have a good time. All right? Then you're no hand on the chin. You may not touch your face. Don't touch your face. Okay. That was what the first rule, Leanne. 180 seconds of your talking state. So talk to the camera about anything, like having a conversation. Right? Talk to the camera about anything that you want to talk about. And it doesn't have to be business. If you're really confident talking about the summer that you just had with your children, talk about something that's really easy for you to talk about. Doesn't matter. It could be anything. If you need to read a story, fine. If you need to learn from a script, that's fine. And you want to do it in your first language. You do it in your first language. Okay? Okay. And then at the end, there's a 10-second idling state. So you're just going to look at the camera, smile, and breathe. So a lot of this is just breathing. It can be about Star Wars. It can be about because it's the easiest thing to talk about. The easiest thing that you can think of to talk about, right? And then you're going to do one other video, a second video. I'll put all of this in the chat. And you're just going to say, your name. I feel like I'm on Pitch Perfect. Your name, and then give Nowsite permission to record and use my footage to build an AI avatar. That's it. And then you're going to send your videos to support at now.site. Okay? Is this like the easiest? Come on. It's mostly just breathing. It's great. Yes, Robert, you got it. I promise I'll put all the directions like in the chat so we can do our homework assignment number 2 together. But I want to use some examples. So Robert Blakely, if you would do me a favor, does everybody see Robert Blakely? Do you mind, Robert? Okay. So I'm just going to spotlight Robert for everybody. So Robert, great. He's going to sit back a bit. Fine. Great light. He sits at this desk. He's fine. Awesome. Robert, Robert's ready to record. Perfect. Love it. Thank you. He's going to stare at the camera just like that. Just perfect. Right? So congratulations, Robert. Good to go. Just don't do any of this, okay? All right. Perfect. Good work. I'm going to use like Brigitte, my favorite, I can never say the name right, but I'm going to spotlight you for everybody. So Brigitte's a little close to the camera, right? No way. So you're a little close. You're just going to back up a bit, maybe back up that computer a bit. You want to get like a little bit lower, a little further back from the camera, okay? She got so super close. So we understand, right? We want to just back her up. Okay. Good job. Love it. All right, let's see who else I can pick out here. Anybody else want to have a question? Want to know if they're good? Yeah, sure, Jimmy. Try it. Yeah. Okay, so this is from Sanella. Should we do professional hair and makeup? Does everybody know you with professional like hair and makeup? If I came with professional hair and makeup, you guys would be like, who is that? What happened to Cheryl? Where's her AI avatar? Her twin came. It must be her sister. I'm just playing, but I think it's completely up to you. Lindsay said, be who you are all the time. Yes, for sure. And do you need to get better lighting to remove the shadows? So you're just going to do your best with ring lights are great. Anybody have a ring light? Use a ring light. Douglas does. Douglas is great, right? If we get Douglas to just back up a hair, let's use Douglas waved to me. So Douglas, you're it now. That's it, buddy. Yep. We're gonna get him to just back up just a little bit. And then we have a good avatar recording for our friend Douglas. Good job. Give him a hand here in the chat. Go work. Go work, Douglas. Yeah. Awesome. We're gonna talk to Danielle. Danielle, what's happening? Oh, Sue Coleman's curious if she's too close. You gotta show me in a minute. Show me in a minute. Danielle, yes, love. Oh wait, you're muted. And I can't hear you.
I apologize. I missed the first few minutes, but I'm doing the challenge and it's asking me to upgrade. I have an account, so it's asking me to upgrade. I have to upgrade to do this.
So
To unlimited AI.
email support at now.site. They're going to help you out, and it's so that you can have access to the team's features and functionality, but they'll go over it, all the things inside of your account with you. Okay.
Okay, great, thanks.
Thanks. Yes, Jean? Are you stuck? You're talking? No, you can't unmute. What's happening? Can you not unmute? What did I do?
Can we use a background like I have up now if we find a background that is a fake background and such, or is that okay?
Okay, I have I want to get into this one. So we saw Martina. She's a great example of this. She used a green screen with a background that was very professionally done. So you couldn't really, like, if she moved, have you ever used one of these backgrounds in Zoom, but if you move and you have dark hair, like you could totally tell that it's a background? That's my only problem with it, right? If you're going to use a background, 99% of the time, unless you're like doing some kind of professional thing, we can tell that you're using a background. So
If I can add one thing about green screen, if someone tries to use green screen, we used to do it with my wrestling promos all the time. Don't cast a shadow on that green screen. Stand away from the green screen so your shadow doesn't show up and other shadows don't show up, or else that just bleeds out the whatever you're trying to put over the green screen. So
yeah. And I just want to encourage people, like, you don't need a green screen.
no.
You don't have to do that at all. Like, you don't need any of the fancy equipment. And it's probably just best if you do it in your own setting that your team is used to seeing you in, right? Like, if you show up with a whole different screen, your team will be like, who's that? What's going on? Yeah, for sure. There was Sue Coleman. Where you at? Where's Sue? I gotta scroll through Sue. Sue, where's Sue? I can't find you, Sue. There's too many people. There's too many pages happening. You're gonna have to raise a hand. Oh, there you are, Sue. Hang on. Ron, what's happening? We're gonna get to Sue in a minute there. I just couldn't find her. Oh, you gotta, what? I gotta keep asking people to unmute. Sorry.
Okay, great. If you actually are controlling that mute piece. Okay, so I've blurred my background. That's one. I do have multiple backgrounds I could use, but is my blurred background efficient right now? That's the first question.
Let's get a spotlight for everyone. So you would have to back up a bit. Hi. You would have to back up a bit, which is cool. It's just the movement. We can kind of see where the blurred background, it doesn't always take place. If you're fine with it, we can give it a go.
Okay, that's the first question. The second question, because I wear glasses and I'm getting that reflection from my ring light.
They're going to pick up like the reflection. If there is a reflection in your glasses, the reflection's going to pick up and probably in your avatar if you're wearing them, but I don't think it's bad. Back up, like, I mean.
Okay, those are my two questions. I'm going to change the background based on the time that we have to do this. I don't know where each one of us fits in, but I'll change the background to see if I can take care of that you're saying with that small movement in the background. So yeah, I'll look forward to doing that. And I was actually looking for another pair of glasses that would help to reduce that glare. But thank you.
Whitman says use a 45-degree angle lighting if you got glasses. Lindsay is going to come through her screen if I don't let her talk this minute.
Okay.
Okay, so hey guys. So
Hi.
I worked with a professional photographer with glasses. Okay, so what you're gonna do, if I can get Ron right now, because we're gonna see how it works. Take your glasses where they sit on your ears.
And bring them back.
Nope, on your ears, the portion on your ears.
Okay,
Tilt it up. It's gonna make your glasses tilt down.
got you.
There
Got
you go. You see how the glare disappeared?
Got you. Excellent.
Nobody is going to be able to notice that when you're looking straight on. But if you will tilt them up a little bit more, it'll take off every bit of the glare. Keep going. You
Lindsay,
see
I
how
gotta,
we can
I gotta
see
thank
your
you.
eyes?
I'm also a photographer, so thank you for that. I
You're
appreciate
welcome.
it. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks, Ron. Way to go, Lindsay. Appreciate you. Keys to my heart, Keisha. Oh, I didn't. I just wanted to sing to you, so I won't let you unmute. Go ahead. You try it now. Sorry, my bad. Don't take up my singing time. I still can't get her to unmute. Unmute.
There you go.
All right.
Is this distance okay? I'm gonna change the background, but is this distance okay? It is
Yeah.
about my max distance right about now. I'll have to change rooms otherwise.
No, distance is good. I like it.
Okay,
Perfect.
okay.
Love
But
it.
it looks like your phone is vertical right now. Your phone needs to be horizontal.
It will be. It will be.
Oh,
I was just talking about the distance.
Cool.
Love it. Good job, Keisha. Awesome. All right. I don't know how to say your name. Mare? You're gonna help me.
Yes, hi. Can you hear me? I just want to say thank you for having me in this group. Very new, 5 days old, and I'm very happy to see you all. I don't want to. I'm not in the AI tool yet, but I just want to ask: will the corporation or the company come up with an AI where there's two people? I work in the business with my husband. That would be fun. Just a quick question, and that's all.
I
Bye.
will sit next to Dustin and be like, "What'd you say? What? Huh?" And then if I'm ever sitting next to Adrian, it'd be super fun. But oh, do you just pop? He just pops out. I don't know how.
Yeah, I just pop up now and then.
Yeah.
So I don't know that we're going to work super hard enabling two people inside one frame at once, but there's a different way of thinking about this that I'm more excited about, and that is to be able to allow a user to organize a group meeting of their favorite AI avatars. So like a Zoom, like we're doing right now. But like maybe I want to invite Eric AI and Cheryl AI and my company CEO AI and my team leader, right? And so I got 4 AIs that I want, and me, real person. So the 5 of us are gonna have a meeting. That's interesting. Like to me, that's really interesting, right? And so what we would do on the back end is programmatically create that dialogue between you, the AIs, where they can kind of feed off of each other, ask each other questions, challenge each other, based on their own perspectives, to have like a really productive board meeting, if you will. Anyway, I think that'd be super cool.
Hey, that is fun. Jimmy asked, I'm usually have like a headset on with a microphone. Is that okay? Or should I use another mic? No headset, no mic, okay? Because nothing on your head or, microphone, it'll cover your face too. Windsor, what's happening? Hi, how are you, honey? Nice to see you.
Hey, Kevin, how are you?
Hi.
Is the distance okay?
Let me spotlight you. Get a good look. A little further back for me, okay?
Back. Yeah.
Keep going. Keep going. Now we're talking. Okay.
Okay.
Good
And the
work.
light.
Light is great.
Okay. Good.
Yeah. I can see you. You're good to go.
Thank you very much.
You look very happy. We love your smile. You're awesome. Nice to see you, by the way.
Yeah.
Sue, waiting patiently, hanging out. Yes, love.
Yeah, I was just going to check about the distance as well.
All right, let's just do it. We're gonna do a distance check with Sue. So I like to tell people, like, kind of like here, back a little bit.
Back a bit.
A little bit. There you go.
Okay,
Love it.
got it. Let me just.
Cool. Love it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good work, Sue. Where's Linda? Linda. There she is. Hey, Linda, how are you?
Okay, I can unmute. Great, thanks, Cheryl. This is so exciting, so cool. I love it. Can you record it on Zoom and then send that over, or do you want it on the phone?
No, you can record it on Zoom. You can record it from your computer camera. You can record it. Use your best camera, right? The thing that you're most comfortable with, for sure. By
Right.
the way, may I spotlight you for everyone? Do you mind?
Yeah, no, please.
Good. And we got good distance. We got good things like happening. Good to go. Okay.
Okay, cool. Thank you. I like to use my hands. I'm not allowed to do that, right?
I know. Shove them under the desk. Sit on them. Right. Yeah. So let's not. I know, because they tend to get in front of the face. Don't
Okay.
make them go back up, right? Because I would get so excited or interested in something, my eyeball gets really close to the screen. I'm with you,
Right,
babe.
right. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Hi, Raymond.
All right. I just have one question.
Yeah.
I guess maybe Justin can answer it, or I just want to know how to properly use the site. Because I mean, I post every day, but I don't know what I should do, what I shouldn't do, or what I should post, what I shouldn't post.
Yeah. So you want to go to, we have daily training every single weekday. It's at 11 a.m. Eastern time. It's with Elizabeth Larson. She does a great job. She's super friendly. She's super patient. She's so nice. You got to go there and hang out with her. She takes live questions. She will help you out right there. It's every day, every weekday, sorry, Monday through Friday, 11 a.m. Eastern time. Even Sean says she's amazing. I'm just like that. And it's at Nowsite.Online. Stan wanted to give you the calendar of events that we have, and Jackie's saying how patient she is in all of her lessons. Okay, so make sure that you go there. She'll help you and answer all of your questions. She's an expert in the product. Okay.
I signed up under Cajun Mayo. He's pretty good too.
Yeah. Go on. Yeah, it's great. Awesome. Love it. Marlene. Hey, honey, how are you? Nice to see you. Wait, Marlene, you're muted.
Okay. Is that better?
Gotcha now.
Oh gosh, my first time here. Yay.
Oh, hey. Hi.
Yeah. I have so many questions. What is that site that you just gave the other gentleman? Now site what?
So Nowsite.Online. So look in the chat here. And it'll
Where?
tell you do you know where the Zoom chat is?
A meeting chat, yes.
Yep. So inside of the meeting chat, we're going to drop the link Monday through Friday at 11 a.m. Eastern time. It's you're actually here. It's on this link. It's Nowsite.Online. That's all you need to do.
Okay, so it's newsite.online.
Nowsite.Online. You got it.
Nowsite.online. So I was on one of your other chats, and I was trying to follow, but it was a replay, so I didn't get to ask any questions. And So I haven't even been able to post anything. I went through it. I've been trying. I get to the point where it says start and check and all that. And then I click on Facebook and it goes away. It's like, okay, I did it. But then I go on Facebook and I don't find what I did.
So make sure that you go to the training Monday through Friday at 11 a.m. Eastern time. But I already know what's happening. When you get to Facebook, right? Go to write a post and hit paste. That's all. It's one of those things
Right.
that happen. There's a little pop-up that tells you all the directions that you need to follow. Make sure you're following the directions. Sean's saying, hey, all you have to do is hit paste. Hit paste.
I'm going to go back there and look for paste because I don't remember seeing it.
Hit the paste button. But Marlene, we're always here to help. We have an awesome support department as well. I don't want to forget about those guys. They're amazing. Support at now.site. They're always there to help you as well as our live training. Okay. Thanks,
Support at Nowsite.
Now
Say that.
I'll put it in.
Oh, I'm so mixed up. Okay. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Support at Nowsite. Now.site.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Marlene. Let me see here.
And everyone, please, I think just like we're talking about LeaderAI today. We got so many other sources of training and support at your fingertips. Love the questions, and let's keep the focus on LeaderAI.
Awesome. Thanks, Justin.
But that's something Justin AI wouldn't say. Justin AI's got all the time in the world.
And you can always ask Justin AI questions too. He's great. All the questions that you're asking. Look, there's questions about tonality and raising and dropping your voice for emphasis, also when speaking, and head movement. I want to get into this really quickly. This happens with our voice clones. This happens here with the AI avatar. For some reason, people think that they have to do something different than their absolute like regular talking voice, right? Like, I had to be really high so you catch my high things and really low so that you catch it, or I gotta have a, like, you don't have to do any of those things for the AI to kind of catch on in the tone that you have. It's just best to keep your regular speaking voice and talk in your regular voice. I can't say that enough. Okay. If there's, of course, you want to add personality to your AI avatar, but if you're like throwing your head back and doing all kinds of this and making like, oh man, yikes, like, and you don't want to, in the middle of your AI avatar. So look, chill, just talk like you're having a chat with Justin. That's all. It'd be super simple. Just chit chat with them and you'll have a great time. Sandy, yes.
Hey, okay, so I just want to make sure that, is this too close? Do I need to get back?
This is my favorite question. We're just going to take a look, okay? You're a little close. Yeah, because we're all face, right? We want to kind of go from the elbows down. I like
Okay, so kind of like boobs up.
This is my hug to you. Thank you so much. What Sandy said. Yes.
Okay. All right. And I can't use my hands or anything.
Right. Don't put your hands in your face.
Okay. All right.
Love you. That's great, Sandy. Keith says, suppose our voice is already cloned. You have to redo the voice 180 seconds? Absolutely. Yes, you have to follow the rules, okay? Knox says she loves the crab, Sandy. So wanted to let you know. Jean's coming back for a second round. Yes, Jean. Oh, go ahead, Jean.
For those people who do want to do a green screen,
yeah,
but may not know how to merge an image with the green screen, can they send their green screen video and the image they want to use, and would you all merge them together?
What do you think, Adrian?
I'm sorry?
So what do you think, Adrian? Let's put Adrian right on this.
Sure. But you don't have to have a green screen.
No, you don't.
Also don't have to send us an image. If you want to use a green screen, we'll pick a cool image for you. But if you really want to do both of those things, then cool, send it.
Okay. No, I don't, but I'm thinking about others who don't like their backgrounds and want to do something, but they don't have the technical know-how.
You're overthinking on others' behalf, Gene?
Yes.
Okay, great. Love you, buddy. All right.
Oh, Gene, we love you. That was great. Hi, Cynthia. Oh, wait, I gotta hit the unmute button. Sorry. Go ahead.
Hi, I just wanted to check for distance and see if I'm good.
Sandy said it best. Right?
Oops.
Yep. There you go.
Which way is up?
So back up a bit, Cynthia.
Yep.
Yeah.
Back
up. Keep backing up. Keep backing. Elbows up. Keep backing.
Keep backing.
There you go. There you go. Good.
All the way back. Got it. Thank you.
This chat is wild. This chat is off the chain. Jocelyn says,
Sorry.
Jocelyn said, Adrian, save me. No, is it okay to stand? He said no, too. No. Sure, you could stand. I have a lot of reservations for standing, though. Just quite a few reservations for standing. Standing takes a lot of, like, you got to stand still. If you're not doing the swaying, and you're not in that position, I tell people, if you're typically sitting training, then sit and train. If you want to give it a try standing, go for it. I'm going to start moving a little quickly here. Samuel, hey, honey, how are you?
There you go. Okay. Yeah. Hear me now?
Yeah.
All right. Perfect. Okay, I got 3 questions real fast. Number 1, someone asked me this when I was sharing the video AI with them. They're saying, can your avatar or voice be used without your permission?
No.
That's the first question. And the second one was, can someone cancel or delete their voice and avatar if they no longer want to utilize it on the platform?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Yes. And the next question is, can you get rid of my gray hair out of my avatar so I can look younger? Because I'm looking kind of rough right now. Just wanted to know.
I think you look perfect. We'll let you know when we fix the gray hair thing. I'll make sure I check my own first, then call you second. Okay.
All right. Thanks.
Thanks so much, Samuel. You're great. Joel, where have you been? No, I'm just kidding. Joel, hey, honey, how are you? I like to teach Joel when I can.
So first of all, Samuel, I want to know if they can add a beard because I've never been able to grow one.
I'll work on it.
I just want to make sure when we do the team that we can train all of our different tools and compliance manuals, compliance issues, and onboarding. So the team AI or the leader AI is really used so I don't have to answer the questions anymore and let the system answer for me.
Yep. Adrian? That's an Adrian question.
So the question is,
so I have a compliance manual, I have certain onboarding manuals, and I want my avatar to answer the questions so I don't have to answer it anymore.
right. And those are part of your company's documentation.
Yes.
So we should just pick those up naturally, but we can do testing with it. And if there's anything that's not getting picked up, we can incorporate that with your help. So it's all good.
Okay.
Cool. Good to see you, Joel.
You too.
Good to see you, Joel. Hi. Yes. Hi, Chris. Nice to see you.
It's nice to see you as well. Thank you. Once we submit our video, is it etched in stone or can it be changed later?
So if there's an issue or something, then we'll probably ask for it to be changed. However, we're not going to change avatars or outfits or whatever and make that kind of a frequent thing. So I don't want to say, hey, everybody can change it whenever they want to or whatever. I don't think that would be so great. But if there's a problem with it, then we can work together to change it. So I would say choose something a little more timeless, like the black t-shirt or something that you like wearing or whatever, rather than do something, you know.
What I have on right now, rather than what I have on right now. No. Not happening. Not happening.
Justin's gonna be like, what kind of Zooms are you running here, Cheryl? What's going on?
Yep.
You're great.
And we're definitely not doing it from the boobs up right now either. No.
Stella's Amy. I love. How are you?
Hi guys. As long as you can see in your screening or recording device, whether you use Zoom, your camera, your phone, as long as you can see your elbows in a natural position, that's safe distance.
Yes.
Please make sure that you don't have this much empty space above your head. Okay.
No,
that's not a good distance. The best is for everyone to literally Google it. If you don't want to use, my AI, Google bust shot. It's spelled B-U-S-T. B-U-S-T. Shot. It will save everybody's time today, and you will know exactly what the bust shot means for all of us to have the best quality for our video AI or our avatar stuff. It's B-U-S-T shot.
Thanks. Yeah, great. Thanks, Snella. Adela. Yes.
Hi, Cheryl.
Hi, honey.
So when I record my video, because sorry, because I was eating at the same time because I have appointment at 3. So do I need to record from the Nowsite?
You're gonna record from your phone, record from Zoom, record from wherever you're most comfortable recording from.
So for 90 seconds?
I'll put all the directions that we went over today. I'll actually just put it in writing in the LeaderAI group. Okay. All the directions, we're just gonna lay them out in the LeaderAI group so that you don't have to memorize how many seconds is what.
Okay. Oh, okay. Thank you. So this is the correct position. I will be wearing black.
Perfect. Yes.
Yeah, I just use my tablet when I do that. Okay.
Great. Thank you.
Because I need to leave at 2:30. I have an appointment, Cheryl. Sorry. So what time we're done here?
We're gonna take Willie, Pat, and then we're out of here.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Amy makes a great suggestion here. And Amy says, put your tablet higher than your face. Put your camera higher than your face. Everyone put your camera higher than your face, right? Like nobody wants to see underneath. Okay. Looking up your nose, right? Okay, Willie, then Pat. Yes, Willie. Hi, honey. This is the guy with the bow tie.
Hola, que pasa? Buenos dias.
Hola.
Good to see everybody. I just wanted to check out to make sure because this is my normal background. And then I figured, let me go to the extreme. I have on a white shirt with the green, different kind of bow tie. So I just want to make sure that it comes across clearly.
Yeah, I'm making you the spotlight of the day. Look at
He
my.
looks like $1 million right there, doesn't he?
He's the guy with the bow tie. Can't miss him. Willie, you look fantastic. Perfect distance. We see the elbows. We got the background. We got the smile going. We love you. Willie, you're perfect. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, way to go. It's nice to see you, by the way. Pat. Hey, honey, how are you? Where's my friend Pat?
Okay, thank you. Yes, hi everyone. So my comments for the ladies. You should.
Oh no, no.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna go there. We should not wear a top that shows cleavage. I'm gonna go there. The top should be up because it's very distracting when you're when you're leaning in, and you can see cleavage. So wear something that comes up.
Look, okay. I'm gonna end it on this note. Look, Adrian, stop. No. Look, it was great. We're here to have a really fun time with each other, of course. And this is what we're doing in building our amazing community of people. We have the most amazing chat that's happening right now. That's all because of you guys, which is super fun. Look, let's do our very first homework assignment together. If you haven't done it already, make sure that you do, and that's create a team. That's fun, right? And get some content in that team. And this week, I'm going to put all the directions in the LeaderAI group right with this recording today in the next, like, I don't know, hour and a half or so. Once it's done rendering, you're going to get this recording, and you're going to share your AI avatar, right? Video with us, and we're going to get it all recorded and taken care of. I'm so excited for you all. I can't wait to see the AI version of you. Make sure that you're working toward referring your 5 so that we can see the AI version of you even faster. Thank you guys so much for such a great time today. This one was absolutely unforgettable. And I'll see you all next time. Love to you all. Bye.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.